I'm back on Pleasantville map. What's up, YouTube? It's me, Jonathan. And as I just said, I'm back on Pleasantville map. Okay, there's a sheep. Hey, sheepish. I miss. Okay, forget that sheep. But guys, I'm back at the gym. Wait. Hey guys, there's something wrong. I'll be right back in a second. Okay guys, I think I fixed the problem. But yeah. We're back at the J Mansion. Or the J&J Mansion. Here's our big, lovely waterfall. Okay. That's enough of that. Hey guys, I am creative. And I bet you're wondering, what is this? Why is it blocking the road? How am I gonna get in my house? You're probably not thinking that, but I am. Well, I'm not. I know what it is. I know I'm gonna. Never mind. It's dumb. This is a fully automated fireworks dispenser. A lot of science behind this machine. I don't want to waste all the fireworks. Wait, it's 4th of July. I can waste all of them. Yeah. A lot of science behind this machine. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Lag. Firework tornado. I'm in a firework tornado. Not a tornado, but you know. I'm in a firework tornado. That's the name of this video. That's gonna be the name of this video. Fireworks tornado. I wonder when they're gonna run out. So many colors, I'm lagging. Oh my gosh. I was gonna say this is for a surprise for J-Man because he hasn't seen this map yet. But I gotta work out exactly what I did wrong, and what I did wrong was putting that big thing right there on the wrong side. It's supposed to be over there. So yeah, I gotta fix that. I'll probably do it off camera. Probably, I don't know. But yeah, that's a lot of fireworks. How many left? I'm not done. A lot of fireworks. Oh guys, it's the 4th of July. Wait. I don't know when I'm gonna post this video. Is it today, which is 4th of July, or will it be tomorrow? Not 4th of July. I'll try to post it today. That way it'll still be 4th of July. Okay, that's enough Disney. But yeah. Okay. Fireworks are gone. Okay. But guys, I was planning on building a little contraption. I can't show you guys that because J-Man watches the videos and he'll know the prank I'm gonna pull on him when he comes on into the map. I went the wrong way. But there will be... Whoa. Bro, where'd you get that armor? Did you steal it? You steal it out of my armory? You thief. Oh. Blast protection. Leather pant. I don't want this. Yeah. If you guys watched yesterday's video, you know how I got these. All this stuff. Zoom. But the entrance. Where's the entrance? I'm planning on, I thought there was something purple glowing. I was like, what's that? But, yes, guys, I was planning on putting fireworks there, not there, and, there, at the entrance. So, like, it's like a warm welcome into Pleasantville. So, yeah, let me get started with that. I'll be back when I get everything I need, if I gotta remember. Okay, guys, I was getting the things I needed for the fireworks, the dispensers and stuff, and I was like, I need it to be tripwire. I don't know how to do that. So I'm finna experimentation on this. I said that wrong. I'm finna experiment on this. I'm finna learn how to make a tripwire fireworks dispenser. If I can find a tripwire. Wait, isn't tripwire just spider webs? I'm pretty sure, yeah. And then I'm gonna need, what do I need? A hook. I need a hooky thing. Tripwire hook, yeah. And I need, what else do I need? I think this is all. I think. I'm not a good Minecrafter, so I don't really know, but I think it's all. Let me try. I really don't know what I'm doing. You guys are gonna learn with me. And if I don't get it done this episode, I'll do it next episode. Or I'll do it off screen. I don't know. But I think the dispenser will go here. And the hook goes here. Maybe. That's floating. Okay. That's cool. I'm confused. I don't know what I'm doing. Is that what it looks like when it's working? Do I space it out? Oh. So that. Okay, I figured out the chip wire. Okay, I figured out chip wire. Now, do I put fireworks in and shoot them? No. It has to work now. Okay, that works. It works. That's a cow. You fat cow. I'm gonna eat you just because. Don't you walk on your Yeah, boy. Okay, guys, I figured it out. I figured out how to use tripwire. I just need to put that from there to there. I'll do that off screen, guys. I'll be back when I've got it done. I don't want to take up too much of this video. Okay, guys, I've done it. I've made it. Wait, no, I didn't. Dang it. I have to put the thingy. Then I have to cover this up. This doesn't look suspicious at all. Okay, that's good enough. Cool, works. I just gotta put the stuff in it. J-Man's favorite color is red, so I'm gonna put red on one side. My favorite color is green, so I'm gonna put green on the other side. And for the moment of truth, boom! I did it. What says welcome to Pleasant View other than fireworks? Boom! And it doesn't even look suspicious, kind of. Sort of. It does. Yeah, doesn't matter. Now, I have to go set up the trap. Oh no. Now I have to set up the trap, so I gotta set it up off screen. So guys, I'll be back in a little minute. Wait, I forgot to set the contraption up right. I gotta set it up right here and right here. Dang it. I guess you guys can watch me, but don't watch too hard. I'm shy. So I'm gonna do it here. So it has to be like this. And then boom. Am I a constructor or what? Don't know how that happened. Oh, it does go on. Okay, then I gotta put this here. Then okay, this side's constructed. Now I just gotta do this side. Boom. Yeah, they're the same. Now I gotta put the fireworks in it. I guess I don't even need these, because I'm a constructor. I guess it's gonna be, this time it's gonna be red and green again. Maybe red and blue. Not buttons, fireworks. Okay, light blue. Oh man, it destroyed too. Okay, for the moment of truth. Oh, that's not right. Okay, that's right, I guess. For the moment of truth. Boom. Ooh, that's a nice blue and that's a nice red. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, guys, I have to set up the trap. Let's see a sign. For sale. Did I already see that? I guess not. But should I set up fireworks if like for like every turn? Nah, that's gonna be over. That's gonna be bad. I don't know a word for that, but it's gonna be bad. I also have to move this. What's that clicking? Oh, I know the click life. There we go. I guess I do need redstone for all those. Guess I'll do this off screen. Okay guys, I am back and I did set up the trap for J-Man. Guys, you can't even tell where it is. It's so hidden. I did have to look on YouTube to wait a minute. Did I just, oh yeah, but yeah, guys, you can't even tell where it is. That was not a hint. Don't look here, J-Man. If you watch this video, that the trap was not. I don't got a trap for you, bro. They're lying. This isn't me. Yeah. This is somebody else. They're trying to make you think I'm pranking you, but I'm not. So, guys, yeah, guys, I am pranking them. But yeah, guys, you can't even tell where it is, guys. Like it's so hidden. But guys, that's gonna end the video there. Wait, I just gotta do one thing. One last thing before I end the video. Okay. Oh man, I did that wrong again, guys. This I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, the controls are weird. I can't tell what I'm doing. Okay, oh no. Okay guys, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smack that like button right in the face. Give it a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe, tell everybody you know. Love you guys. You guys are amazing. Peace.